Are you struggling with being productive while working from home or just looking for ways to up your game? In this video, I'm going to share with you a few of the tips and strategies that have worked for me and others to boost their productivity at home. I've been working home for several years with my online business where I've been podcasting, YouTubing, and creating blog content and helping others get visibility and revenue. And if you want those two things, definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos that will help you do just that while helping you stay productive working from home. So I know for some people, it's a really big shift because this may be for a lot of people the first time in their lives that they are working from home. And in some ways, you have no longer the commute, so you have a lot more freedom, you have a lot more flexibility, but the issue is you have to stay productive. There's this idea of becoming your own boss, which sounds very exciting, but with that comes the self-accountability. You have to keep on doing the work and make sure you don't fall off the path. So there's a little bit of that element when it comes to working from home. And the big reason people get stuck and they feel like they're unproductive is because they don't know where they're going. If you're going to a new county or city, you pull out the GPS, but no one's really taking the time to create the GPS for themselves at home. So what does that GPS look like that's going to help you with your productivity? It looks like laying out your day from start to finish, what you're supposed to do and when. And there's going to be some course adjustments along the way based on what you are able to do and not able to do. But from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., you're on this task. From 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., you're on this task. And you do that throughout the whole day. Make sure everything is accounted for. Now, there are some surprises that happen and you will have to course correct, but that's just like if you're using Google Maps for the GPS, it will say there's a lot more congestion in this area. Here is a new route that will get you to your destination faster. So when you do feel like your day is kind of falling apart and from a productivity standpoint, that's just a sign that you have to go back, look at your existing schedule, and then change it based on what the rest of your day is going to look like. And if you feel like that's you very often, it's likely a sign that you haven't been creating a daily schedule for yourself. I recommend you do this the night before so you wake up with a clear idea of what you're going to do and you're not going to stay in bed as long. So what I mean by that is if you've ever woken up, hit the alarm, hit the snooze button, or just gone back to sleep, that's not going to happen if you have the whole day laid out, because there's a reason to get out of bed. If you stay in bed, if you hit the snooze button repeatedly, you are messing up your schedule. And the more you try to abide to the schedule, the more of a motivator that's going to be for you to get up and start the day strong. And to do that, start the day strong upon wake up, you do have to get enough sleep. So there is a time and place for breaks, but you don't want to overextend them into the past midnight or going really deep into a given day, because that means you're going to wake up feeling less energized or you're going to wake up later than intended. I know some people are early birds, some people are night owls. Knowing which one you are and getting the appropriate sleep for that role is going to be vital. And the moment you do identify whether you're an early bird, a night bird, or a little bit of the two where you're not extreme either side, but you use both those bookends, it's key to figure out what times you are able to work uninterrupted. Another big reason that a lot of people aren't productive working from home is that there's constant interruptions, and you have to figure out what times of day are you going to just be locked into your work, whether it's waking up earlier than everyone else or going to bed later than anyone else, and then finding 15 to 30-minute pockets throughout each day to address other parts of your business when it makes sense. So that's why, again, having that daily schedule, knowing what you want to do each day, that's going to be vital for your productivity and keep you on track. And as you go each day, figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are. When was a time you were really productive? Are you more productive in the morning or the evening? And which tasks are you more productive with? So I know for me, I'm a more productive writer in the morning, and I'm more productive with creating videos in the afternoon and early evening. And being able to learn those things about yourself is going to help you create better schedules each time that are truly optimized to what you're good at and not good at based on what time of day it is. So as you do more reflecting, like, why was I productive today? What did I not get done? Why? And if you keep asking yourself questions and you keep journaling your thoughts, that's going to help you come up with better schedules each day that allow you to get done the things you want to get done. And there's so many ways we can go deep into this, whether you are a batcher, you pick one day of the week to get everything done. You're better off doing a little bit each day, or pick 2 to 3 days, like a hybrid. And as you go through all these different experiments, keep asking yourself questions, and that's going to lead you to your most optimal path. It's a common mistake to look at someone's productivity schedule that works for them and think that's going to work for you. You have to create your own rubric, your own framework. You can use inspiration, like from this video, from other videos, from what other people are doing. But at the end of the day, you have to figure out what works best for you based on your schedule, based on what you want to get done, and then make it happen. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this one. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm support, and let me know in the comments what productivity tips you have for us. Until next time, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.